man says it's the end of time, and the Mississippi River, she's a going dry. The interest is up and the stock market's down, and you're only getting mugged if you go downtown. I live back in the woods, you see, a woman and the kids and the dogs and me. I got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. I can plow a field all day long. I can catch catfish from dusk till dawn. Make our own whiskey and our own smoke too. Ain't too many things these old boys can't do. We grow good old tomatoes and homemade wine, and country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. Because you can't starve us out and you can't make us run. Those when them old boys raised on shotgun. We say grace, we say ma'am. If you ain't into that, we don't give a damn. We came from the West Virginia coal mines and the Rocky Mountains and the western skies. And we can skin a buck, we can run a trot line, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. I had a good friend in New York City. He never called me by my name, just Hillbilly. My grandpa taught me how to live off the land, and his taught him to be a businessman. He used to send me pictures of the Broadway night, and I'd send him some homemade wine. But he was killed by a man with a switchblade knife. For $43, my friend lost his life. I'd love to spit some beach nut in that dude's eyes and shoot him with my old 45, cause a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. From North California and South Alabama and little towns all around this land. We can skin a buck and run a trot line, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. Country boy can survive. Country folks can survive.
It's okay. Here, turn around so I can get some sunlight in the picture. That is a big freaking trout. That thing is at least 3 or 4 pounds, dude. Okay. Working back and forth a little bit.
Waiting on summer, it's coming down. Sitting on the dock and catch some bears. My friend Simon catch the littlest one. It draws him back just to laugh and fun. Using green worms almost every
fishing with an ache in my head. I made some coffee and I'm feeling alright. Those little fishies sure put up a fight. I bait my hook and I prep my line. I cast it out and I give it some time. He caught a big one but he put it in the water. He'll never commit the act of fish slaughter.
Super bass man, 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 super bass man comes from another place. He fishes beside you and catches more fish than you. Super bass man doesn't do it on purpose. He's just what he is. He's super bass man.
Catch your monsters and no one's around to save. He don't care as long as he gets to live it.
Super bass man, 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 super.
What the fuck you doing? You jerk!